Did you know your body completely rewires its survival reflexes the moment you fall asleep? Take the cough reflex. When you're awake, an irritation in your throat triggers a cough to protect your airway. But during sleep, that same irritation is transformed into a fundamentally different response, apnea, where you actually stop breathing for a moment. Researchers call this a state-dependent response reversal. Your brain's sleep-wake circuits essentially gate the motor output, choosing to briefly halt breathing rather than allow a violent cough that would disrupt your rest. It's a biological trade-off where the brain prioritizes the continuity of sleep over traditional protective actions. We explore the strange and sometimes dangerous world of sleeping reflexes in our latest episode. Catch the full discussion now.